What is a cucumber? A cucumber is a torpedo-shaped vegetable with green or dark green skin outside and edible pulp with seeds inside it. It's quite popular and originates from Southeast Asia. However, today it is available in most parts of the world. It is rich in vitamins and antioxidants and has high water content. Benefits are: number 1. It protects the brain. Cucumber contains an anti-inflammatory flavonol called fisetin, and the importance of this fisetin cannot be overemphasized when it comes to playing a major role in brain health because it improves your memory and protects your nerve cells from age-related decline. Number 2. It reduces bad breath. When bacteria finds comfort in the mouth, bad breath becomes a guest. However, with the rich presence of water in cucumber, the production of mouth saliva increases up to consumption, which in turn helps wash away the bacteria that cause the odor in the mouth. Number 3. It helps reduce the risk of cancer. Cucumbers contain polyphenols called lignans, phenoresinol, laracizanol and secoisolaracizanol, which may help to lower the risk of breast, urine, ovarian, and prostate cancers. They also contain phytonutrients called cucurbitacins, which has been proven to have anti-cancer properties. Number 4. It helps manage diabetes. Over the years, cucumber have been useful for diabetes patients. Cucumber process a hormone required by the beta cells during insulin production. The glycemic index of cucumber is actually 0. The presence of carbohydrates and their result on the body is measured by the quality glycemic index. Number 5. It keeps the body in a healthy state. Cucumber is known to have excellent cleansing properties. Those properties actively eradicate accumulated toxins from the body system, and since those properties also help in the removal of uric acid, it has therefore been effective for the treatment of arthritis. Furthermore, cucumber is very good for optimizing urinary bladder, kidney, liver, and pancreatic functions. It is also considered a natural diuretic because it aids in urine secretion. Number 6. It protects the bones. Cucumber is a good source of vitamin K. 1 cup contains 22% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin K. The vitamin is essential for bone health, as low vitamin K intakes have been associated with higher risk of bone fracture. Vitamin K is also important for improving calcium absorption in the bones. Number 7. It keeps the heart in shape. Cucumbers contain potassium, which is associated with lower blood pressure levels. A proper balance of potassium, both inside and outside your cells, is crucial for your body to function properly. As an electrolyte, potassium is a positively charged ion that must maintain a certain concentration, about 30 minutes higher inside than outside your cells, in order to carry out its functions, which includes interacting with sodium to help control nerve impulse transmission, muscle contraction, and heart function.